OpenClaw. Run private AI agents locally on WhatsApp and Discord. You are wasting hours every single day on tasks that could run themselves, checking messages, scheduling meetings, managing emails, while you sleep. Most people hand all their data to cloud services and hope for the best. But there is another way, one where you control everything. Your data stays on your machine, your rules, and it is exploding right now. Hey, I'm Hada, and today I'm showing you OpenClaw. This thing went from 0 to over 100,000 GitHub stars in 2 months, 2 million visitors in a single week, and it just got a major update that changes everything. Let me tell you why this matters. OpenClaw runs entirely on your computer, your laptop, your home server, whatever you control. No cloud, no sending your data anywhere. And it does not just answer questions, it takes action. It connects to WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, iMessage, Microsoft Teams, all your messaging apps, and it can actually do things in them. Schedule meetings, send reminders, manage your inbox, execute commands, all automatically, while you focus on real work. The creator is a developer named Peter Steinberger. He built this as a weekend project 2 months ago, called it Claudebot, a play on the word claw and Claude. Then it went viral. Within days, thousands of developers were installing it, and Anthropic's legal team sent a polite message. The name was too close to their Claude brand. The community picked Moltbot, like molting, how lobsters shed their shell, but it never quite stuck. So they changed it again to OpenClaw. Did full trademark searches this time, bought the domains, made it official, and with the rebrand came a complete security overhaul, new features, more model support. Let me show you what it actually does. OpenClaw sits on your computer as a background service. It connects AI models to your apps. You can use Claude for complex reasoning, ChatGPT, local models like Allama, even models you run entirely offline. You message the AI through WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, whatever you prefer. Tell it what you need. It executes. Here are some real examples people are using. Email management. It can scan your inbox, sort messages by priority, draft replies to common questions, archive newsletters, flag urgent items. You wake up to a clean inbox with only things that actually need your attention. Calendar automation. Someone messages you asking for a meeting. OpenClaw checks your calendar, finds open slots, sends them the options, confirms the meeting, adds it to your schedule. You never touch your calendar app. Smart home control. You can connect it to your devices. Tell it to turn off lights when you leave, adjust temperature based on weather, lock doors at night, all through normal conversation. Browser automation. This one gets interesting. OpenClaw can control a Chrome browser, fill out forms, extract data from websites, monitor pages for changes. It is like having a research assistant that never gets tired, and it learns. The more you use it, the better it understands your patterns, your preferences, how you work. When I first started exploring these kinds of agent tools, I was overwhelmed. There were so many moving parts. Which models to use, how to set up integrations safely, what actually saves time versus what just creates new problems. That is when I found this community called AI Profit Boardroom, with over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations. If you are serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in description. Now back to OpenClaw. The security stuff is important, really important, because OpenClaw has access to everything. Your messages, your files, your accounts. If you set it up wrong, you expose everything. Early versions had major issues. People were running it with no authentication. Their gateway was wide open to the internet. Anyone could connect, read their chat history, access their API keys, execute commands on their computer. Some users had their OAuth tokens stolen. Others had private SSH keys extracted. The new version fixes a lot of this. Authentication is now required. No more none mode. You need either a password, a token, or Tailscale identity. The team shipped 34 security-related code changes in the latest update. They hired security researchers to review the code. Publish security models, but prompt injection is still a risk. This is an industry-wide problem, not just OpenClaw. If someone sends you a message with hidden instructions embedded in it, the AI might follow those instructions. This is why you need to understand what you are doing before you deploy something like this. The official recommendation is to run OpenClaw in a sandbox. isolated from your production systems. Do not connect it to accounts with sensitive data unless you know exactly what you are doing. Use strong authentication. Keep it updated. The community is working on better safeguards. But this is cutting-edge stuff. The technology is moving faster than the safety measures. Let me talk about the ecosystem for a second. OpenClaw uses something called the Model Context Protocol, MCP. This lets it connect to over 100 different services, email providers, calendar apps, note-taking tools, project management software, smart home devices. The list keeps growing. Developers build skills for OpenClaw. These are like apps, small modules that add new capabilities. There is a skill registry called Claw Hub. You can browse available skills, install them. They extend what your agent can do. But here's the catch. Not all skills are trustworthy. Just last month, 14 malicious skills were uploaded to Claw Hub, targeting crypto users, trying to steal wallet credentials. This is the supply chain risk. When you install third-party code, you are trusting whoever wrote it. The OpenClaw team is adding verification systems, code reviews, reputation scores. But right now, you need to be careful what you install. The roadmap is aggressive. Security is priority one, then gateway reliability, then more model support and integrations. The creator says the project grew beyond what one person can handle. He is adding maintainers, planning to pay them full-time if possible. The community is huge now. There is even something called Moltbook, an AI agent exclusive social network, where AI agents talk to each other. Humans can watch but not participate. It is wild. Agents are forming their own social connections. Some people are using OpenClaw for crypto automation, monitoring whale wallets, tracking exchange flows, running prediction market strategies. Others use it for research, aggregating data, summarizing reports, finding trends. The possibilities are endless, but so are the ways to mess it up. Here is my take. OpenClaw represents a shift away from cloud lock-in toward personal control. You own the hardware, you own the data, you set the rules, but it is not for everyone, not yet. This is advanced user territory. You need to understand servers, APIs, security basics, debugging. If that sounds intimidating, wait a bit. For technical users, it is incredible. Not a chatbot. A real assistant that knows your context and acts on your behalf. The challenge is accessibility. Right now, setup requires technical knowledge. Install Node, configure services, manage API keys. Most people will not do that. But the trend is clear. AI models keep getting better, cheaper, faster. Local models are catching up. Hardware is more powerful. Within a year, running your own AI assistant could be as normal as running your own router. The ecosystem is growing fast. New skills every day, better security tools, easier installation processes. The momentum is real. If you are looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What is working? What is not? Which tools are worth your time? Which ones to skip? No hype. Just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It has helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You will get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 46,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Thanks for watching. I'm Hada. Stay curious.